Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to StartSpeak English, the podcast where we help you speak English in real life, in real situations, with real confidence. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. If you're brand new here, welcome. You found the right place.
Today, we have a genuinely useful episode. We're talking about traveling by train, and specifically, how to use English when you're at a railway station, a busy, noisy, sometimes confusing railway station.
Because we've all been there, right? You walk into a big station, there are signs everywhere, announcements over the speakers, people rushing past you, and if English isn't your first language, it can feel like a lot.
But that's why we made this episode. By the end, you'll know how to buy a ticket, find your platform, ask for help, understand announcements, and handle all the common situations that come up when you travel by train in an English-speaking country.
We'll give you real conversations, repeat the most useful phrases, and share tips along the way. Step by step, let's go.
And one quick thing, if this episode is helpful, please subscribe to StartSpeak English on YouTube and hit the notification bell. It really helps us reach more learners like you. Okay, Mike, ready?
Let's go.
You arrive at the railway station. You walk through the main entrance. What do you see?
Departure boards, those big screens showing all the trains. Ticket counters, where real people sell you tickets. Ticket machines, automatic machines where you buy tickets yourself. Waiting areas, shops, cafes, and platforms. The platforms are where you actually get on the train.
Before we do anything else, let's learn the essential words. You absolutely need these.
A ticket, what you buy to travel. A one-way ticket, you're going one direction only, not coming back. A return ticket, also called a round-trip ticket in American English, you go and come back.
A platform, the area beside the train where you wait and board. Departure, the train is leaving. Arrival, the train is coming in.
The app, brilliant. First class, more expensive, more comfortable. Standard class, the regular, more affordable seats, also called economy or second class.
Off-peak, traveling at less busy times, usually cheaper. Peak, the busiest times, usually weekday mornings, more expensive.
Here's how you use these in a sentence. I'd like a one-way ticket to Manchester, please. Or, can I have a return ticket to London? I'll be back on Sunday.
Notice I'd like. This is a polite way of saying I want. Always use I'd like when asking for something. It sounds natural and respectful. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like a ticket to Brighton, please.
Sure. One way or return?
Return, please. I'm coming back tomorrow evening.
What time would you like to travel today?
Around 10 o'clock in the morning, if possible.
We have a train at 10:15. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Standard class or first class?
Standard class, please.
That'll be £22.50. Can you pay by card?
Of course. Here you go. Which platform does the train leave from?
Platform 6. The train leaves at 10:15. You have about 20 minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great trip. Let's break down the key phrases from that dialogue.
I'd like a ticket to place, please. Your go-to opening line. Always works.
Sure. One way or return?
The agent will ask you this every time. Be ready with your answer. One way, please, or return, please.
Can I pay by card? In most countries, yes. You can also ask, can I pay by cash? Or even, can I pay by phone?
Which platform does the train leave from? Always ask this. You need to know where to go.
Now, many travelers skip the counter and use the ticket machine instead. They're usually faster. The screen will ask, where do you want to go? Type your destination. Then it asks for your travel date. And if you want a return, the return date too. It shows you the options, you choose, you pay by card, and it prints your ticket. Simple.
One word you'll see on machines is collect pre-booked tickets. This means you already bought online and just need to pick up your ticket. Enter your booking reference number and the machine prints it for you.
You have your ticket. Now find your train. The departure board, that big screen in the main hall, shows every train leaving the station.
Here's how to read it. There are several columns.
Time, when the train departs. Trains are listed in order with the next one at the top.
Destination, where the train is going. Sometimes it also shows intermediate stops.
Calling at, This means the train stops at those places. If you want to get off at a specific town, make sure your train is calling at that town.
Platform number, which platform you go to. Status, is the train on time, delayed, or canceled?
Let's go through the status words. On time, great, the train leaves when planned. Delayed, the train is late. If it says delayed 15 minutes, it leaves 15 minutes after the scheduled time.
Canceled, the train is not running today. Go to the ticket counter and ask what to do.
Platform to be confirmed. The platform number isn't announced yet. This is very common. Wait, it will appear 10 to 15 minutes before departure.
Boarding, go to your platform and get on the train now.
If you're confused by the board, just ask, "Excuse me, can you tell me which platform the train to Oxford is leaving from?" Or, "Excuse me, is the 10:15 to Brighton on time?"
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for the train to Oxford. I can't find it on the board.
What time is your train?
It's 2:45 in the afternoon.
That one's running a few minutes late. It's now showing 2:58. The platform will be announced shortly.
So it's delayed?
Just about 13 minutes. No worries, you've got time. Wait here and keep an eye on the board. As soon as the platform is shown, head over in that direction. I'm pointing.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Safe travels.
Did you notice keep an eye on the board? That's a very common English expression. It means watch it carefully.
And head over just means go to. Very natural. Also, no worries, a friendly and formal way of saying don't worry, it's fine. Very common in Britain and Australia.
You know your platform. Now you need to find it. Big stations can feel like mazes, but the signs are usually very clear.
Common signs you'll see: way out. This is the exit, in British English especially. Toilets or WC, the bathroom. In American English, restrooms.
Information or information desk. Go here with any questions.
Left luggage, a paid service where you store your bags safely while you explore.
Lost property. If you've lost something on a train or in the station, go here.
And of course, platform, 1, 2, 3, etc. Clearly numbered and well signposted.
Useful phrases for asking directions.
Excuse me, where's platform 7? Excuse me, how do I get to the main exit? Excuse me, is there a toilet near here?
Answers you might hear. It's straight ahead. Turn left at the end of this hall. Go past the coffee shop and it's on your right. Take the escalator down to the lower level. It's just around the corner.
Excuse me, I'm looking for platform 12. Am I going the right way?
I think you need to go back a little. Turn around, go straight through those doors, and then turn left. Platform 12 should be at the far end on the left side.
Go back, through the doors, then turn left.
Yes, that's right. Are you in a hurry?
A little, my train leaves in 10 minutes.
Then you better get going. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Notice how the passenger repeated the directions back. Go back, through the doors, then turn left. This is a great technique. It helps you remember, and the other person can correct you if you got something wrong. Also, the far end means the end furthest from you, not the near end, but the far end. And, am I going the right way, is a very useful question, polite and direct. This is one of the most challenging parts for English learners. Announcements over the speakers can be hard to understand. They're recorded, sometimes muffled, and the station is noisy.
But here's the good news. Announcements follow a very predictable pattern. Once you know the formula, you can understand most of what they say. Let me read a typical one.
The 11:42 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross is now approaching Platform 4. Passengers should stand back from the platform edge. This train calls at Lewisham, London Bridge, and London Charing Cross.
Let's break it down. The 11:42, the train departing at 11:42. Southeastern service. Southeastern is the train company. To London Charing Cross, the final destination. Now approaching platform 4. The train is coming, almost there. Stand back from the platform edge. A safety message. Move away from the edge of the platform. Calls at, these are the stops along the way.
Now, a delay announcement.
We are sorry to announce that the 14:30 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street has been delayed by approximately 20 minutes due to a signaling problem. We apologize for any inconvenience.
We are sorry to announce bad news is coming. Delayed by approximately 20 minutes. It's about 20 minutes late. Due to a signaling problem. The reason. Other common reasons: person on the tracks, extreme weather, engineering works. We apologize for any inconvenience. Now, a boarding announcement.
The train now standing at Platform 9 is the 1315 LNRE service to Edinburgh Waverley. This train will depart in 5 minutes. All passengers should board now.
Now standing at Platform 9, the train is already there. Depart in 5 minutes, leaving very soon. Board now, get on the train.
The word board means to get on. You'll hear passengers should board, you can now board, or last call to board. And last call means it's the final warning. The doors are about to close. Get on now.
Just before departure, you'll often